Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Please do not expect this to be a professional work, and please also understand that English is not my native language. To me, what's important is the message, not how it's conveyed. Okay, here we go. What you see here is a drawing of the so-called heliocentric solar system. I left out the outer planets because they are irrelevant to the message that I want to convey. Here is the Sun, Mercury, Venus, and Earth. As you can see, both Mercury and Venus have inner orbits. Therefore, they are between the Sun and the Earth. We all have seen Mercury and Venus in our sky at night, haven't we? How is that possible in the heliocentric model? The answer is obvious. It's not possible. In order to see them, we would have to look towards the light. And that would only be possible during the day, never at night. The only reason we see them in our sky at night is because the Earth is flat. There is no other explanation. The Earth is flat and stationary. The Sun, Moon, stars and planets revolve around our beautiful Earth. The Earth is the center of the universe. We are not the result of a cosmic explosion 14.5 billion years ago. The Big Bang was invented to justify the unjustifiable, the globe. There is not one single concrete and objective proof in favor of the globe, whereas in favor of the flat Earth we have many irrefutable proofs, concrete and objective proofs, which are measurable and repeatable. Modern cosmology is a religion. It's imperative that we spread the truth, so that more people may awaken to the reality of our world. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family.
Hi folks, my perspective here. In this video, it's just a follow-up on my last video where I discussed Professor Dave and I proved that his Ball Earth model in that solar system simply doesn't work. That entire system is just based on Greek and Roman mythology, and it's nothing more than a useless religion. It's a waste of time. It's not the world we're living in, and it can be proven beyond a doubt that the spinning ball Earth is just plain stupid and it doesn't work. So there are some people who are so attached to this religious dogma that it can only be classed as the worship of Venus. So one of these people, Jacob Pillivan, right? He made some comments on my video, and I want to address some of those comments. So, Jacob Pillivan, I don't know if this is Professor Dave's girlfriend, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is what Jacob had to say. So, with regard to Venus, he says, when we turn, there are areas near the terminator lines where you can see Venus. That is why you can see Venus a little before dawn and a little after twilight, right? So, this is the video clip that I showed, and I said that if Venus orbits the Sun, right, so there's the Earth. If you're in the night time of the Earth, on the Ball Earth, you can't see Venus. Venus's orbit must be greater than the Earth's orbit around the Sun for you to see Venus at night. That makes sense, right? So what this fellow was saying, no, that the terminator line, if you're looking across from that terminator line, you can still see Venus. So let's have a look at what he's saying. Remember, he's saying that if you're at the terminator line, let's say at 6 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll be able to see Venus. Is this true? Because a lot of people have brought this argument up. The answer is no. So let's stop and think about it. Remember, at the terminator line, there's the sun. Right, so let's have a look at it. There's the sun. There's Venus orbits the sun. That side of the terminator line is day. You're on the ball Earth. That side is nighttime. Remember, for you to see Venus at night, you have to look up into the night sky. You can't look over into the day side past the terminator line and see Venus, because that's what they're saying. They're saying if you look across the terminator line, you can see Venus. Well, you'd be looking into the daylight side. You see, this entire thing exposes the total mindless garbage of the ball Earth. It simply is stupid. It doesn't work. The person at nighttime, he can't look across the ball Earth. He can't see around the ball Earth into the sunny side. It's nighttime. It's dark. So even if he sees Venus, let's say for 2 or 3 hours, so I've put the time there, he has to look up. He can't see around the ball Earth. Do you understand? That argument about the looking across the terminator line, that you're looking up, simply doesn't make sense. It exposes the ball Earth as a stupid lie. It's nothing more than, the spinning ball Earth is nothing more than religious propaganda. Same with Venus. It's just Greek and Roman mythology.